Find the directional derivative of the scalar function f, which is equal to 1 divided by x square plus y square plus z square square root at the point 304 in the direction a equal to a vector equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. To find the directional derivative of a scalar function in a given direction, here the given direction is a, can be found out by the dot product of the gradient of the scalar function with the unit vector along the direction vector a, and the unit vector along the vector a equal to vector a divided by magnitude of vector a, and gradient of a scalar function can be defined in terms of the del operator, that is del of the scalar function phi, where del is the vector operator. When the vector operator del operator operates on the scalar function, it gives the gradient. So del of the scalar function f dotted with the unit vector, that is a vector divided by magnitude of a. The del operator can be written as I cap partial derivative with respect to x plus j cap partial derivative with respect to y plus k cap partial derivative with respect to z. And the scalar function is given 1 divided by x square plus y square plus z square square root dotted with the unit vector, that is a vector divided by magnitude of a. Now let us find out the partial derivative of the scalar function f. If you find out the partial derivative of 1 divided by x square plus y square plus z square square root with respect to x, then that will be equal to minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square minus half minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 by 2, and derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x into I cap. Similarly, for the j cap component, you have minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 3 by 2 into 2y into j cap. And the k cap, for the k cap component, the partial derivative with respect to z will be equal to minus half x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 3 by 2 into 2z into k cap dotted with the vector a, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by the magnitude of a, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square square root. So from these three, if you take minus half x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power minus 3 by 2 common, so in the bracket you have 2x I cap plus 2y j cap plus 2z k cap dotted with I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to square root of 3. So let us solve this to find the directional derivative, and here it is given to find the directional derivative of the function f along the direction a and at the point 304. So if you substitute the value of x equal to 3, y equal to 0 and z is equal to 4, then for this it will be equal to minus 1 by 2, 3 square, that is equal to 9, for y it is 0, and for z it is 4 square, that is equal to 16 to the power minus 3 by 2. And if you put x equal to 3 here, this value will be equal to 6 I cap, this value will be equal to 0, and this value will be equal to 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 into k cap dotted with I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by root 3. And if you solve it, 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. So minus 25 to the power minus 3 by 2, and here you have also 2, so divide by 2, then 6 I cap plus 8 k cap dotted with I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by root 3. And if you solve it, then that will be equal to, you see, this will be equal to minus 25 to the power minus 3 by 2, then 6i cap dotted with I cap, that is equal to 6, 8k cap dotted with k cap, that is equal to 8, so 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14, and here you have minus 25 to the power minus 3 by 2 divided by 2 root 3, and 25 to the power minus 3 by 2, it is equal to 5 square, so 2 cancels, so 5 to the power minus 3 into 7, because 2 cancels 14, so that will be equal to 7 divided by root 3. So this will be equal to minus 7. If you multiply root 3 in the numerator and root 3 in the denominator, then in the denominator you have 5 cube, that is equal to 125 into 3, that is equal to 375, and in the numerator you have minus 7 into root 3. So the answer will be minus 7 root 3 divided by 375. So the directional derivative of the given function f at 304 in the direction A will be equal to minus 7 root 3 divided by 375.